originally from the Ivory Coast. I needed to move to the UK because of political persecution and life threat. I heard about Wales. It was a friendly country that had its own language, already speaking 7 languages. I decided to make Wales my new home. Within days of getting placed, I signed up to Welsh lessons at Oasis Centre for refugees and asylum seekers. Very quickly, I made lots of friends within the Welsh-speaking community. I became almost fluent in just over a year. My love of the language allowed me to volunteer with Cymdeithas yr Iaith to help other asylum seekers learn the language. Today, after 2 years of learning the Welsh language, I'm completely integrated into the Welsh community in Cardiff. Learning has helped me belong in this beautiful country.